Go.
Okay, he's off. I guess I get the easy job here, taping the slower dog after I'm huffing and puffing. Okay, I want to see. Hey, you know, Otto failed. Maybe you got a second on that run with her.
John doesn't seem as nervous though. He doesn't seem calm at all.
Look at that mean man down. Hold that dog. Ooh, good call off there, dude. Can't get your contact, really. Run like heck. Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. And your time is, I don't know, can't really get it, 50-something.